Garri is a popular food in Africa, particularly in Nigeria. It is processed from cassava tubers. The raw materials, which are the cassava tubers, are being procured from the farm or any other available sources. In this phase, the cassavas are being peeled after offloading from the truck. After peeling the cassavas, they are washed to remove soils or debris. Here, the cassavas are grated or crushed with a machine to reduce the particle sizes. The milled cassavas are put in a porous bag to facilitate moisture removal. The bags are further placed in a press in order to remove excess water and to allow fermentation to occur. In this phase, the wet cake are sifted into grease, while the chaffs are being discarded. This is the phase where the garri is being produced. Here, the sifted grease are roasted on a hot pan or tray.
For fire. The garri are being sprayed on the mat to facilitate cooling and to avoid caking after bagging. Once the garri cools, they are being bagged for storage and to prevent contaminations. The garri is ready for storage. The garri can be further distributed to various areas where they are being sold to make sales or being consumed. So here comes the end of the garri processing. Please, if you've not subscribed to our channel, do me a favor by clicking on the subscribe button. Share your thoughts in the comment section, share this video to your friends, and also give us a like. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.